Hey friends, can you believe this incredible place produces over 50,000 pounds of turmeric every single month?
From these gorgeous fresh rhizomes growing in the earth to this beautiful premium powder in your kitchen. That's the incredible journey we've witnessed together.
Watch this. Each turmeric plant hides these gorgeous golden rhizomes underground. The farmer...
Look at that incredible color. Fresh turmeric is just stunning, friends. These bright orange rhizomes are packed with...
This is what I absolutely love about this process. Look at this incredible teamwork. Each farmer here plays...
Can you see that transformation? Just a little cleaning and that vibrant golden color really pops.
Look at that harvest, friends. Each basket is packed with this gorgeous fresh turmeric. Now come...
This is amazing to watch. The whole community comes together at the collection point. Look at all that beautiful... And here we go, friends. This beautiful fresh turmeric is starting its journey from these peaceful fields to... Check out this collection hub, friends. Turmeric from multiple farms all comes together here before...
I love seeing this attention to detail. Every single piece of turmeric gets inspected. Only the best rhizomes make it through to the next stage, friends.
Here we go on the highway, friends. This fresh turmeric is getting closer to the factory with every mile. Wow, check out this incredible facility, friends. This is where the magic really happened. Perfect timing. Watch how smoothly the receiving team works here. Every delivery gets logged and inspected. These folks really know their stuff, friends.
This is really cool. Every single crate gets scanned and tracked digitally. The factory knows exactly.
Look at how organized everything is, friends. This warehouse system is impressive.
This is what I call treating ingredients with respect. The turmeric is stored in perfect conditions, just the right...
Okay, friends, here comes the really exciting part. Our turmeric is heading from storage into the processing area. This...
Whoa, check out this amazing machine, friends. Water jets and rotating brushes.
Can you see that incredible transformation happening? All that field dirt is washing away, and look at how that beautiful, bright... This is so cool. These powerful air jets blow away all the excess water in seconds. No heat needed, just... Wow, check out this massive steam cooker, friends. This is where the turmeric gets...
In they go, friends. Each basket gets positioned perfectly inside the steam chamber. The cooking process is careful.
This is where the magic happens, friends. The gentle happens, friends. The gentle steam cooks the turmeric perfectly, softening the rising and... And here it comes, friends. The cooking cycle is complete. Look at that. Just look at that transformation, friends. The cooking brought out this incredible... Here's where it gets really interesting, friends. The cooked turmeric needs to be dried carefully to preserve all that flavor and color.
This is one of the most important steps, friends. The drying tunnel uses carefully controlled warm air to slowly remove...
Can you see the change happening, friends? As the moisture slowly evaporates, the color gets even richer and more concentrated. Now we're cooling down the dried turmeric before grinding, friends. This cooling step is important. It protects all.
Perfect. See that consistent color all the way through. That's exactly what we want, friends. Properly dried.
Here we go, friends. This powerful grinding mill is about to transform those dried rhizomes into that gorgeous golden powder. Look at that color, friends. Fresh ground turmeric powder is just stunning.
This sieving process is super important, friends. It ensures every bit of powder is perfectly uniform. Just beautiful, friends. Look at that texture notes, perfectly smooth and uniform. The color is so vibrant and pure.
This is where the magic of ultra-fine grinding happens, friends. These precision mills create that incredible...
Feel that? Well, you can't actually, but trust me, friends, this ultra-fine powder is incredibly smooth. This is premium quality turmeric powder.
The lab team runs sophisticated tests on every batch, friends. They're checking particle size, color consistency, purity.
And now the branding goes on. Safety first, friends. Each jar gets a tamper-evident seal. If the seal's broken, you know not to use it. Almost there, friends. Each box gets sealed and labeled with all the shipping information. Barcodes, batch numbers, destination.
Check the alignment on that last box.
It's within tolerance. The system is running smoothly.
Now this is smart, friends. The stretch wrap holds everything together securely for shipping. No matter how far these pallets travel.
Check out this massive warehouse, friends. Row after row of turmeric products ready to ship all over the country.
Perfect placement, friends. Every pallet has its exact location in the system. The warehouse management software tracks everything. Which batch?
We need this pallet on truck 3. Confirm the manifest.
Confirmed. Loading now.
There it goes, friends. From those gorgeous fields to this modern factory, through every careful process and nets.
And here's the beautiful final product, friends. Premium quality turmeric powder breeds, from sustainable farms through state-of-the-art tools.
Look at this beautiful product family, friends. Whether you need convenient sachets, classic jars, or bulk pouches, there's a
And we're back where it all begins, friends. These hardworking farmers, these beautiful fields.
Turmeric stands out among all spices, friends. That incredible golden color, that warm, earthy flavor, those amazing... This is the magic moment, friends. Watch how that vibrant golden powder transforms the dish. This is turmeric doing what it does. And here's what it all creates, friends. This beautiful golden curry, rich with flavor and vibrant with color.
Turmeric isn't just for cooking anymore, friends. From trendy golden lattes to wellness shots, turmeric has found amazing new uses. Turmeric connects us all, friends. From India to Indonesia, from the Middle East to the Americas, cultures around the world.
From these fields to kitchens around the world, friends. This turmeric travels to dozens of countries across every...
And here's where you find it, friends. On the shelf waiting for you. After this incredible journey from field to factory, it's ready and accessible whenever you need it.
Right at home on your counter, friends first, ready whenever inspiration strikes. Whether it's morning golden milk, afternoon curry, or...
This is what it's all about, friends. People coming together over delicious food. Turmeric spice dishes bringing flavor.
So many delicious possibilities, friends. From traditional curries to innovative fusion cuisine, turmeric works in countless recipes.
Turmeric has gone viral, friends. Food bloggers and home cooks everywhere sharing their turmeric creations online.
Learning and sharing together, friends. Cooking classes teaching turmeric techniques bring communities together. Knowledge passed on, skills.
Something for everyone, friends. From convenient sachets for single use to bulk packages for regular cooking, ready-to-use blends to pure powder.
Even the packaging is earth-friendly, friends. Recyclable materials, minimal waste, sustainable design, environmental responsibility.
Reading the label, understanding what you're buying, making informed choices, that's smart shopping. When companies are transparent and consumers are informed, everybody wins.
Look at that gorgeous color release, friends. Premium turmeric dissolves beautifully, releasing that vibrant golden pigment instantly.